Hide unhide apps. To hide any app, go to your phone settings. In settings, go down and just tap on home screen. Under home screen settings, go down and here tap on hide apps on home and app screens. And here you will find all of your apps. Now go ahead and select those apps you want to hide. In my case, I'm going to hide Yahoo Mail app and my Facebook app. So once I've selected them, tapping on done. Now I'm going to my app screen or app library, and as you can see, my Facebook app and my Yahoo app have been successfully hid from my app library. If I search for any of them, as you can see, the Facebook is not showing in search result. So that's how we can actually hide app. And now if you want to use any hidden app, let's see how to do it. Just go to your app screen and tap on search and type the hidden app name. And here, if you don't see the app, just go to your settings. In settings, again tap on home screen and tap on hide apps on home and app screen. And here, we have to tap on from settings app, just tap on apps. And here tap on the search apps and search for the hidden app that you want to use and tap on the app and just tap on open. And now you can easily go ahead and use any hidden app just like so. And to unhide any app, go to the settings once more. Home screen. From home screen, go to hide apps on home and app screens and just remove your apps from hidden app section and your apps will be unhide. As you can see, my two apps are now showing in my app screen. That's it.